Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get your tax forms in public investing. If you don't have a public investing account, we will put the link on the description below for you to sign up and get a free slice of stock. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon. On the drop-down menu, you will see an option for Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. Then on the left side menu of this page, you will see a Documents tab. Click on the Documents tab. Then here, you will see a Tax Documents tab. Click on Tax Documents. Now you will see the list of your tax documents. Click on the download icon beside the tax document you wish to view. That's how you get your tax forms in public investing. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.